Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Harnoor, and if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing it. And now, today, we are going to make a video on my mascaras. So, I'm going to show you all of my mascara collection. Also, we are going to rate them, and I'm going to give a genuine review of them. And in the end of the video, I'm going to tell two must buy mascaras, one from affordable range and one from a high end range. So chalo, let's get started. Okay, so starting up with the most reasonable mascara that I have, and this one is from Mars, and iska jo naam hai that is Trouble Trouble mascara, and it has basically two steps. One is the length and second is the volume. You can see पहला length बढ़ाने के लिए है, very beautiful wand है इसकी. Second for the volume, but अभी जो मैंने लगाया हुआ है that is a different one. I'll tell you which one. I'm not going to apply all of these, but just talk about these mascara simply. So this mascara definitely helps you to increase your lashes and give them a good volume, but I don't know, for a reason I don't like its fragrance. Like, it has a very, kind of a fragrance that I don't like. It is a fresh fragrance, no doubt, which you may like, but I don't have taste for such fragrances. But yeah, for the task that it does as a mascara, that is absolutely good, and I would like to rate it a 7 out of 10. Next is this Maybelline mascara, which is a hyper curl mascara, and this is waterproof. एंड इसके ऊपर लिखा हुआ है वाटरप्रूफ, एंड ट्रस्ट मी दिस इज वाटरप्रूफ. ये पानी से निकालना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट, and you have to remove it with the help of a micellar water. And let me just quickly show you its wand. It is थोड़ी सी ऐसे like tilted, and it gives a very good volume, and this is how it looks like. And I would like to rate it like a 8 out of 10. No doubt it gives the volume, but I have like mascaras that give more good volume, but its price is comparatively less, and उनका जो price है that is more. But for the price it is like जितने का ये है और जितना ये काम कर रहा है, that is absolutely good. And this is waterproof also, so you can definitely go ahead and buy this. This one is from Maybelline, and I will rate it 8 out of 10. Next up, I have my Color mascara, which says Boom and Whoosh mascara. So ये बहुत अच्छा mascara है. You must have seen this on some of my videos maybe. This is the first one. इसके अंदर भी two wands हैं. And this is the second wand. Let me just tell you one thing, that this mascara is not at all waterproof. Also, ये जो वॉल्यूम देता है उतना ही वॉल्यूम आपको Maybelline वाला जो मस्कारा है वो देता है, and also that is waterproof, और इससे प्राइस में भी कम है. So I think you should buy that one instead of this one. I would rate it like a 6.5 out of 10, like क्योंकि इसका price is like more than 500. I don't know the exact amount, but it will be here on the screen. And ये वाटरप्रूफ नहीं है, और जितनी ये वॉल्यूम देता है उतनी वॉल्यूम बाकी मेरे मस्कारा जो इससे कम प्राइस के हैं वो भी देते हैं. सो या, दैट्स द रीजन फॉर रेटिंग इट 6.5. So this one is from Revolution, and this is Big Lash Mascara. It says that it gives XL volume waterproof mascara hai ye, and actually it is waterproof. Let me just quickly show you iska wand. It is a very defined wand, and I like this mascara, like it gives volume at the same time it is waterproof. And I think it is important for you to have one waterproof mascara and one simple mascara, so that आप एक नीचे simple mascara लगाओ and ऊपर waterproof mascara लगाओ. So yeah, this is a very good mascara from the brand Revolution, and I would like to rate it like an 8 out of 10. Now this is my next mascara, that is from the brand K Beauty, and this is their Midnight Mascara. It again, it is not waterproof, and but it helps to give very good volume, very good length. So I think I kind of like this mascara and I apply it like mostly. So I would like to give it like a 7.5 out of 10. And if you want to purchase it, you can. It is a very good mascara. Okay, so my next mascara is from Nykaa, and this is their new launch mascara, which is a super light mascara, and it has peptides in it. And it's my very first time seeing a mascara having peptides. I've seen a lot of lip balms and lip glosses having peptide, but for the very first time a mascara having peptide is very strange and new for me. So I really like its formula और इसकी wand भी बहुत अच्छी है, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा volume lashes को नहीं देता. Let me just give you a reality check. It doesn't make a lot of difference in your lashes, but yeah, it gives pretty much good decent amount of volume that you can use in your everyday makeup looks, but not in a look which has to be like bold. Matlab, if you want very long lashes, then this mascara is not for you definitely. But this is very beautiful for me and I use it because एक तो ये आपके lashes को peptide provide कर रहा है, and first of all, the packaging. Like, I really appreciate the packaging. That is so beautiful. And also, I'm going to give away this mascara. And yeah, you can win this mascara from Nykaa. जिसकी जो amount है for this mascara is around 800 or something, and you're going to get it for free. Not only this mascara but a lot of things. So you have to wait for the giveaway, and what you have to do to win is to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. That's it, and all such expensive beautiful things can be yours. Okay, so coming on what I'll rate to this mascara. So I will rate a like 8.5 out of 10 because I really like it and मैं अपनी regular looks में इसको use भी करती हूँ. So yeah. Okay, so here comes the showstopper, and this is my favorite mascara out of like the affordable ones, I would say. जो under 1000 mascaras हैं उनमें से मेरा favorite mascara है. This is Stays 929 mascara, and this is a tubing mascara, and this is how it wand look like. इसकी wand is like super flexible. You can just see बहुत flexible है, and it's very different. You can see. और ये आपके बिल्कुल भी, and this is volumizing plus waterproof, so you are getting all of things in it. Plus ये आप ऐसे करके रब करके उतार सकते हो. यूजुअली जब हम मस्कारा उतारते हैं ना, आंखें नीचे से सारी काली हो जाती हैं. दैट्स समथिंग आई एक्सट्रीमली हेट. तो इसीलिए मुझे ये मस्कारा बहुत पसंद है कि कोई भी रेजिड्यू क्रिएट नहीं करता और बहुत इजीली उतर जाता है. लैशेस को ब्रेक भी नहीं करता, वॉल्यूम भी देता है और वाटरप्रूफ भी है. सो दिस इज द मस्कारा दैट आई वुड like to rate 10 on 10. So this is a must buy, and yeah, you can take it. It's a very good mascara. Okay, so now moving towards a bit expensive ones. So for the first one, I have this Ferrero mascara that I use as a professional makeup artist. Let me just show you. इसके एक side पे है ये इतनी पतली सी wand that is for your lower lashes, and this is very handy to go in with. In other hand side, you have this, which is for your upper lashes, and this is from the brand Ferrero, and this is a very good mascara. All the professional makeup artists mostly either use this or they either use the Maybelline mascara, the Sky High mascara. But I like to use this one क्योंकि इसकी जो नीचे वाली wand है that's so thin, और जो नीचे वाली हमारी lower lashes हैं उनको बहुत अच्छे से define भी करता है. So I would like give it 9.5 out of 10. Okay, so next comes this mascara from Benefit Cosmetics, and this is Bad Girl Bang Mascara, as it is giving a very bad vibes. ठीक है, नाम इसका बहुत ऐसे क्रेजी सा है, बट एक्चुअली इसका वर्क बहुत अच्छा है. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू. मैंने इसका मिनी लिया है, आई एम गोइंग टू गेट अ बिगर वन, बट आई जस्ट वांट कि ये सारे खत्म हो जाएं. ऐसा ना हो कि ये लाइक एक्सपायर हो जाए. एंड यू कैन जस्ट सी मैन हाउ फ्लेक्सिबल इट इज. मैंने आपको जो फ्लेक्सिबल वॉन्ड दिखाई थी दैट वाज ऑफ स्टेज मस्कारा, एंड स्टेज से भी ज्यादा ये फ्लेक्सिबल है. ऑब्वियसली प्राइस में एक्सपेंसिव है. यू कैन जस्ट सी दिस इज सो फ्लेक्सिबल, एंड वॉन्ड आपने ऐसी पहले नहीं देखी होगी. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल मस्कारा. लैशेस को एकदम अलग अलग करके डिफाइन करता है. हाँ, इट इज अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव, बट इफ यू वांट टू ट्राई योर हैंड्स ऑन देन यू कैन बाय अ मिनी वन, एंड आपको डेफिनेटली ये पसंद आने वाला है. फिर आप एक वो बड़ा वाला ले सकते हो, इसका बिगर वाला भी आता है. So coming on to the rating, I will rate it 10 out of 10. I absolutely love this mascara, but it has just 6 months of life, and like I think yeah, उतना mascara use नहीं होता, and I have literally a lot of, so don't use expired mascara guys. जो पहले है उसको फिनिश करो. मेरी तरह बहुत सारे खरीदने की कोई भी जरूरत नहीं है. लास्ट में सॉरी, मस्ट हैव टू बताने वाली हूँ, सिर्फ वो खरीद लेना. दैट्स इट, you're sorted. Okay, so here comes the expenses, like the most expensive mascara that I have. This is for rupees 2350, and this is from Huda Beauty Wow One Coat Mascara. This is so popular. And इसकी भी जो life है, shelf life, that's for just 6 months, and it is like इसका जो नाम है, that's very Vanta. And आज मैंने यही लगाया हुआ है, you can just see. Okay, so this mascara has like two sides. एक है concave और एक है convex. And ये बहुत अच्छे से आपकी lashes को enhance करता है. And this is the mascara that I have like मैं बहुत टाइम से buy करना चाहती थी, and I finally did. So I really like this mascara, and I've seen actually a lot of reels about this. Though it was expensive, but I wanted to buy it like so bad. But yeah, it is actually worth the hype. Huda Beauty always make the best products. Like although Huda is expensive brand, but you ever like won't regret buying any of their product. So for me, again, this is 10 out of 10, and I love this mascara. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you like must have two mascaras that you should buy from the affordable and a luxury brand. So affordable में जाएगा ये Stays का mascara. I love it. Affordable भी है, quality बहुत अच्छी है, और ये waterproof भी है. मतलब like all the things it does is perfect, और आपके lashes को बिल्कुल भी harm नहीं करेगा जब ये उतरेगा. And it is very long lasting, as it says 9 to 9. ये बहुत अच्छा formula है. So please go ahead and invest your money in this product. This is a very good mascara if you want to buy a affordable mascara. Okay, coming on to like a luxury brand. So luxury में I have 3 mascaras right now, but the one that I love और जो मेरे को लगता है कि आपको भी मेरे को recommend करना चाहिए and वो best है, is this Benefit. एंड आपको मैं ये सजेस्ट करूंगी कि आप इसका ना मिनी ले लो. दैट इज मच मच बेटर, बिकॉज इसकी जो लाइफ है दैट इज जस्ट 6 months. एंड इफ यू अ पर्सन जो रोज मेकअप नहीं करता, तो लाइक नॉट वर्थ बाइंग द एक्सपेंसिव वंस, क्योंकि ये 6 months में खत्म नहीं होने वाला अगर आप रोज मेकअप नहीं करते हो. रोज करोगे तो फिर भी आपके ये 4 months तक तो आई गेस चल जाएगा. सो येस, दिस इज द बेस्ट मस्कारा लाइक राइट नाउ दैट आई ओन, एंड आई लव इट. You can definitely go ahead and invest your money in this Benefit mascara. If you want to try yourself, you can get a mini one. अगर बड़ा वाला लेना है तो बड़ा वाला भी ले सकते हो, क्योंकि मैं तो soon लेने वाली हूँ इन सबको finish करने के बाद. So yeah, you can definitely go and invest your money in this mascara. Okay guys, so this was it for today's video. I hope that it was helpful and you liked it. So मैं किसी भी ब्रांड को ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि वो अच्छा है या बुरा है. I like all the brands. जितने भी mascaras मैं लेती हूँ, मैं बहुत सारे reviews देखने के बाद लेती हूँ. So I always try to purchase and buy the best products for myself, because I don't want each penny to be get wasted. Okay, so this was all for today's video, and I really hope that you liked it और आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा helpful रही हो, क्योंकि जो लास्ट में मैंने 2 mascaras बताए हैं वो आप खरीद सकते हो. इफ यू डू नॉट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट लॉट ऑफ मनी तो स्टेज का ले लो. अगर हाँ थोड़ा सा हाई एंड में जाना चाहते हो तो बेनिफिट का ले लो. अगर उससे भी थोड़ा ज्यादा खर्चना चाहते हो तो हुडा भी ले सकते हो. इट इज वेरी गुड. फेरारूशी आप लेना चाहो आप ले सकते हो, बट आई वोंट रिकमेंड दैट इफ यू आर नॉट अ प्रोफेशनल आर्टिस्ट, क्योंकि वो इतनी ज्यादा अमेजिंग वॉल्यूम नहीं देता. वो हम यूज करते हैं लैशेस, और ये वाले लैशेस को एक्चुअल में फिक्स करने के लिए और कनेक्ट करने के लिए. सो दैट इज नॉट फॉर यू गाइज. आपके लिए जो 2 लास्ट में बताए हैं, दे आर द बेस्ट, एंड आई विल सी यू इन माय नेक्स्ट वन. अंटिल देन, बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.